Hi friends, today we'll discuss about how to filter the data based on the multiple conditions. From the given array I have two JSON objects. This is one JSON object and this is another one. Let me copy one more JSON. See, let me give Ram as name and grade 3, grade 1. Let me give grade 1. Okay, see, based on the grade and any from the marks from any subject, we can filter out the data based on the grade 1 and if the max marks of the any subject or math or social, based on that we'll filter out the data. Okay, let's see how we can filter. See here, come here. Okay, maybe something went wrong. Okay, spaces I have deleted. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me give payload here. See, we can be able to see, then filter. So see, once we click on control space, we can get the filter, and here we can see item and index. So see, here I have taken grade as one variable and the topic is subject. Subject is math. Okay, based on the math, um, based on the max score by any student, will filter out that data. See, first filter out based on grade. Okay, let's see here. Let me take item, and from the item I am taking a grade equal to, let me take this variable. So see, I got John. Why I got John? So here the first JSON object have the grade 1 and second have the grade 2. That's why we got John, and third also we have Ram has grade 1. So let me change this to 1. So we got both Pradeep and Ram. Okay, let me give 10. See, we got empty. Okay, like this way we can filter out the data. And again, what I will do is I will check another condition also. Let me check other condition is nothing but school name. School name equal to, let me take one more variable, school also. School name is school 1. School 1. Okay, let me take this variable to check the condition. So school 1, only Pradeep is belongs to school 1. So these John and Ram are not belongs to school. Already only Pradeep and Ram we got the earlier filter. So let me delete this. See, only Pradeep and Ram we got. See here, school 1, school 2. So here we are adding the condition school 1 guys we need. Okay, so we got Pradeep. Okay, like this way we can filter out. If you want to filter, we can add again from the item which one you want, based on which you want to filter. You can already grade we filter out the data, and school name also we filter out. And let me based on the marks also we can filter marks dot based on the details. Let me take English. Okay, English subject, maybe 10. Who score equal to 10, we got those guys only. And the school and the value, English subject score value 10. Let me give 100, then we won't get any data. See, it's not equal. See, let me give greater than 10. Greater than or equal to 10. See, now we got. See, less than 10 we don't have any data. Greater than 10 also we don't have any data. See, equal to 10 we have only one data. Greater than or equal to 10 we have only one data. See, let me change this value to 100. See, now we got it, right? So let me delete this school condition. So we got 2. Like this way we can filter out the data. See, now see the condition maxBy. Based on the max score we can filter out. Item dot marks dot math. See who got more score in the math. See, in the earlier condition, see, we can see Pradeep and Ram. Math he got 0 and he got 20. Okay, now we apply the condition. See, who got he got 20, so he got the maximum marks. That's why the filter condition came. See, let me change this value from 0 to 100. So he has more score compared to Ram. Okay, that's why he got. Let me give 100. See, from here it's not filtering properly, so let me give 200. See, Ram, see, he came. So like this way we can filter out the data. See, using maxBy function and filter condition. See, we can filter. See, these are the simple filter, and this is the maxBy max results. Based on the max data we can get. See, let me change this to 20. See, now we got this guy details. So if we want to change this to some other, we can change some other subject. Social also we got Pradeep. So let me change here 30. See, now we got Ram. So like this way we can filter out the data. Okay, thank you.